No, it covers your legs. Your legs start going out.
Smell the cottonwoods.
Oh, can I be on the front?
Where are we, man? What time did we get here?
11 or cashmere washing.
That's right. What time did we get here, Leah?
What time did we get here?
Got here at about 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock, which was when we were supposed to. Was there anyone else here?
Nope.
Even though we had to take a break and go do something before we got here, we were the first ones here, right?
Yep.
Is this your first year rafting?
Yep.
Excited?
Yeah, a little bit.
I'm hoping we don't get a rowdy bunch that'll flip the boat. Brad's thinking he wants to do that, but we'll talk him out of it.
The rowdier the better, right?
Yeah. Now, who's that crowd over there?
Go.
I guess it wasn't necessary to get here at 9, was it? Oh well.
So someone can grab it. That's an extra about 3 feet. And generally when you fall out of the boat, right next to the raft, you can just grab onto the line. And if you're farther than a paddle's length away, you're officially what's called a swimmer. Therefore, you're on your own for a little bit before we can come and get you. It is very important that you keep your feet out of the water and downstream. That is important because if your feet catches on a rock or something, then you're going to stop and then the water's going to carry your body over and then you're going to be facing in the water like this with your foot in the rock. And that's not fun. So that's feet out of the water, downstream. Everyone know where downstream is? People, no, that is not downstream. See, it's good that we are talking about this. Downstream, if you look at the water, it's going down. Always downstream. Okay. Let's just think of it. Downstream.
Very good.
Now, if you end up more than a paddle's length away, we're going to throw one of these guys at you. This is a throw bag. If you end up using it, do not unclip it from the boat. What you do is you unleash the toggle and you underhand it. The goal, you want to hit someone in the face. Why? Because if you're swimming in a rapid, you're not going to be able to hear anything. You're going to be like, whoa.
Come on, man. Yeah.
Oh.
Nice. That was very nice.
I'll try it.
No, I'm going to do it.
Okay, who's next?
I'll be your person.
I'll be after Caleb.
And then I'll be after him. Or Connor, do you want to go? Okay. You know? I'll go after Isaac.
He's an old pro. I bet he'll do it.
Oh, he's gonna cheat. He's gonna tuck it in underneath the fort.
Can we do it a couple times?
Sure. Ready? Okay, left side back, right side forward.
Stay up there, buddy.
Back.
Woo!
Yeah, Caleb.
Fall off! Come on! Fall off!
Okay, Caleb, grab my paddle.
Tim!
I think you can go.
Life jacket at your throat. There you go. Woo! Perfect. Yeah, these new life jackets, you did great. I forgot your name again. Sean. Sean, you did a great job. Perfect. These new life jackets, it's a little hard to grab without grabbing the pillow. As long as you grab the straps underneath the pillow, it's just what Sean did.
Can I do it again?
Caleb.
Don't lose your footing!
Don't lean back. Okay, don't lean back. Ready? Left side back, right side forward.
Well, stay up there, Isaac.
Hard, Christian. That's it. Again.
Keep up there, Isaac. It's not loose.
Very
So
nice.
easy.
Okay, reverse.
Let him who thinks he stands take heed, lest he
Okay,
fall.
hang on a second. Let's back paddle just a little. Let's back paddle. Anybody with paddles? hasn't gone yet. Give your paddle eyes.
Yes, it's freezing. It's seriously not that cold compared to last year. Hello.
I'll take a paddle. I'll take his paddle.
All right, Ezra.
All right, Ezra. Do it, man.
Hey.
Yo, yeah. That's nice.
Okay, we're gonna actually hang on just for
Isaac, dude.
rope a little bit too. A little lower on the rope. There you go. You ready? Okay, left side back, right side forward.
Yeah, go, Connor. Dig your feet in. Pull up.
You can go. Come on, do it.
Right. Okay, rebound.
All right, Connor, way to go, buddy. You staying up there? All right.
Yeah, Connor.
You can do it, Connor.
Yeah, that's 8 seconds. Way to be.
Way to go, Connor.
I think you get the gold medal.
Woo, we're going backwards.
Anybody nervous about going backwards?
No. You might be because you're in the back.
Or the front.
Okay, so coming up is what we call killer pillars or dead man's curve.
What is that place there? Is that just like it goes down?
Be helicopter rides.
Right.
Wow. That's amazing.
Long time ago, long before I was doing
Back in the days of Radiator Springs.
Osprey are actually